What's up, guys? So I'm just going to show you a quick video on how to uninstall the bloatware on your computer. So it's going to be doing what's called a fresh start format. So all you have to do is just go to your settings and then go to update and security, go to recovery, click here, learn how to start fresh with a clean installation of Windows, and click yes. And then all you do, just click get started and then just go through the process. What this will do is, it says right here, start fresh by reinstalling and updating Windows. This will keep your personal files in some Windows settings and remove most of your apps, including Microsoft Office, third-party antivirus software, and desktop apps that came pre-installed on your device. Which is like all the, I have a Lenovo Yoga 720 and Lenovo or whoever, they installed McAfee, however you pronounce it, a bunch of others, this garbage I don't really care for. And so you just click get started, click yes, and then you click next, and then it'll go through. It takes like 20-30 minutes, maybe like 30 minutes. It's pretty quick, and then it'll just like wipe everything, and it's great. And when you get back to your desktop, you'll have a little thing here, that right there, and it'll show you which apps were uninstalled. This is what was uninstalled on mine. So as you can see right here, McAfee, LiveSafe, StageLight, whatever the heck that is. And if you click it, I'm pretty sure it brings it to the website. Yeah. But the kind of the drawback, so to speak, is it'll get rid of your drivers too. So you kind of have to just go and download those again. But it's not too bad. It's just a little bit of a hassle. So that's it. All right. Hope it helps. God bless. Bye.